Relax your mind, let your conscience be free. Let's get started. Hi guys, here in Menards, looking for a new lawnmower. You know my brute was stolen, December 29th, 2022. Yep, so now it's time for a new one. This Power Smart looks great. Love the price. Electric mower? I don't think so. Not ready for a battery operated one. Not thrilled about those prices. What do we have here? A Works. Man, $479. Couldn't go wrong with this. Ultimately, I decided with the Power Smart 3-in-1, self-propelled, great price. It'll be $199 after the rebate. So let's get it to the house, do what we got to do, got it just in time. Oh yeah. So some of you folks, and again, do not discard this box just in case you have to send it for repairs or something. Remember that. Okay, so anyway, you guys have been reaching out telling me that you like my videos, but my voice is really relaxing. Some even said it's soothing, helps you sleep. I don't know if the videos are that boring, but my voice helps you sleep, helps you deal with your anxiety. Really appreciate that. So moving forward, I plan on marketing my videos as something that'll help you relax, deal with stress. And that's what the channel is really all about anyway. So this way, you guys can just go to a playlist. Let's say you're having trouble going to sleep or you're about to board a plane, you're stressed, something like that. Go ahead to the channel, click on one of the videos, especially one of the playlists. Sit down, listen. Maybe you're having trouble sleeping at night. Look at one of the playlists, hit play, and maybe it'll take care of all that anxiety, all that stress. What about on your way to work? Now that's real stress. How about in the car? Uber ride, train ride. This will help. Got some oil here. Power Smart came with the lawnmower. That's always good. Here's a 209cc engine. Got a little power, huh? Okay. Let's finish putting this thing together. Also, I've hit a little milestone, folks. Over 500 subscribers. Very proud about that. Thank you so much. You know why? Because you guys can go to any channel, get this information that I'm giving, but you stopped by this one and showed some love. And I'm so thankful and so grateful for that. Really am. So I've set a goal, guys. I would like 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And with your help, I'm certain that it will happen. In addition, I plan on addressing some things that have been going on around the country, around the world. Some of what I have to say might not be welcomed with too much fanfare, but I would like to just tackle some issues. There was an officer who was killed about a month and a half ago, something like that. First, my issue is he should still be alive with his family, friends, fellow officers, stuff like that. He should still be here with us. My issue is the person who killed him, teenage guy who was involved in a shooting back in July of 2022, okay? So he gets an I bond. First, he's involved in a shooting. Then there's a police chase, okay? He's apprehended, processed, things like that, gets his I bond. So he's been out, all right? So now he gets into a domestic with a woman who's like twice his age from what I read. The officer responds and loses his life. My issue is, and it's what I said in one of my last videos, or I think my last video, this guy got an I bond for what he did and was back out on the street. And look what happened. An officer, a man, someone's uncle, father, brother, friend, lost their life because some villain should have still been behind bars. That's what I'm talking about. Some of these guys are not fit to be out with the rest of society. I'm serious. Season 4 will be a lot like this. I'll show some of the work I've been doing, talk about what's been going on around the country and around the world. Not a lot, but some things need to be addressed. And I like to share some of my thoughts. And if nothing else, you can stop by the channel and watch me do some great work. All right, back to the regular schedule program. Put the discharge chute here. Not a problem whatsoever. However, I won't be using it. You guys know I'm a bad guy. That's why I bought the lawnmower. It's a 3-in-1. Mulch, discharge bag. Okay, it fits well. You guys, this thing was easy to put together. You know, the more you pay for these things, the less work you have to do as far as assembly. So that's always good. Sometimes you have to spend the money. But you know I'm cheap, and I don't care. You might have noticed me clamping down on the self-propelled handle and pulling the lawnmower back. I was checking the transmission. When you do that, the wheels lock when the engine is off. That means your transmission is good. So this transmission was good. We can adjust the height here. Has everything you need. I'm very impressed. After you finish, the lawnmower should look like this. There's the clamp on the other side there. You pull the coil string to put it in this other clamp. It's easy, guys. Here's the oil stick. I'm going to pull it out. Shouldn't be any oil in here. They might have just to do a test, but other than that, it should be empty. Oh, yeah. And here's the fuel. Oh, this is where you put the fuel. Standard stuff. You know what? I need to check to see what type of fuel it takes. Yep, just as I thought. Bare minimum, 87. It's the cheapest, and you know I'll go with that. Assembly shouldn't take no more than 15 minutes. That rod that comes in the box, it's for the tool that helps you screw the screws, gives you leverage. There's the prime button. Oh yeah. This thing seems to be a gem, if you know what I mean. Oh yeah. You know what, guys? I plan on putting Apple tags on some of my stuff, just in case. This lawnmower is very nice. Well, nice looking. I'll put it to the test. Anyway, thanks for stopping by. Thanks for watching. We're going to have a great year, I hope. Take care. Bye.